In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. Using a tool like Asana can transform the way you manage projects by helping you organize tasks, set clear priorities, and keep your entire team aligned. Let's dive in and explore how to get started. Firstly, open Asana on your preferred device. Once you're in, look for the plus new project button and click it. This is where you'll start creating a new project. Now, you have the option to choose between a blank project or use a template. The choice here really depends on the nature of your project and what suits your needs best. After you've decided, you'll name your project and choose a layout that aligns with how you want to visualize your tasks. You have several view options: list view for a simple list format, board view if you prefer the Kanban style columns, timeline view to have a visual scheduling approach, and calendar view, which shows tasks sorted by their due dates. Now that you've set up the project, it's time to add tasks. Click the Add Task button to start creating tasks under your project. When setting up tasks, make sure to include a comprehensive task name, clearly designate an assignee, and set a due date. Adding a description and any attachments needed for that task is also essential. If you have larger tasks that need to be broken down, consider using subtasks. This way, each component of the task is easily trackable, helping you manage your project efficiently. Next, you'll want to organize tasks into sections or columns to better categorize them. Using sections in list view or columns in board view is a great way to achieve this. For instance, you could create categories such as to do, in progress, review, and completed. As the project progresses, you can simply drag and drop tasks to move them between these categories, reflecting their current status. Assign each task appropriately to ensure that each one has a clear owner. This avoids any confusion about who is responsible for the completion of each task. After tasks are assigned, make sure to set deadlines and priorities. Adding due dates is crucial for time management, and using priority tags or custom fields to indicate if a task is of high, medium, or low importance will help your team focus on what's critical first. Finally, leverage the various project views to plan effectively. Use Timeline View to get an overview of your project schedule and understand task dependencies. Calendar View offers a visual representation of due dates, helping to track them easily. Board View allows you to manage your workflow in stages, and List View enables detailed task monitoring. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to harness the full power of Asana to manage your projects efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in getting you started with Asana.